Hey guys, so today I'm gonna share with you my hair chopping routine. Yes guys, I cut my bangs at home, so I wanted to share it with you guys that how I cut my bangs at my home only. I do not go to salon so regularly for just my bangs. Hair bangs I just cut it at my home, so I want to show it to you guys so that you can get that knowledge and you can also save your money and you do not have to go so much of frequently to the salon. So let's get started for this guys. So for this you will be needing one scissor. As you can see, this is one scissor. I have taken such long scissor because I just want to go I just want to use this scissor in one go. So yeah, I have also taken another scissor if I will be needing it. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah guys, first of all you will be needing one comb, detangler comb, and make sure your hair do not have any tangles. So yeah, I have combed my hair earlier and I know that I do not have any of the tangles here. So first of all I will be doing it like in back combing like this, and then I will be parting my hair in my regular parting. I am having this type of parting from this side. From right side, it might be possible that you are having the parting from this side, so you will have to part your hair from this side, and I have parting from my right side, so I will be doing it from this side. So yeah, what I will be doing, I will be making my highest point of eyebrows here and take the comb here and then parting it like so. Yeah, so you can see my parting here, and this amount of bangs I will be needing to cut. So yeah, I will be combing these my bangs like so, and then grabbing my hands, grabbing my bangs in my one hand, and I am making sure that how much bangs I will be needing. So I am combing my bangs in this way. So yeah, I just want this need line to be go here. Earlier I had this this much of bangs, so I will be cutting this bangs only. So these are my bangs from this side, and I'm gonna take my bangs from this side also. So yeah, grabbing all my bangs in my hands like this. Yeah, you can see that I have grabbing all my bangs like this in between my fingers, and then I am moving my fingers in this slant direction. As you can see, I have make a slant over here, and I am making sure that how much how much bangs I needed this time. So I need bang up to my nose or up to my lips. So I am going to cut my bangs first of all up to my lips, and then I will shorten my hair bangs according to my needs. So first of all I will be going safe and cutting it up to my lips only. So yeah, like so I will be doing it. So yeah, and you can hold your rest of the hairs in back of your ears like this, so that it will not disturb you again and again. So I am combing my hair once again like this, and just making it slant, making my fingers slant. I'm just gonna cut it like so. Yeah, so I'm just gonna cut it like in this way. Keeping in mind that it will go in one way. You should not repeat it like you have done halfway and then you are doing it another halfway. So you should go in one way only. So yeah, these are my bangs. So as you can see, I have cut my bangs, and as you can see my bangs are perfect right now because they are like this, shortened from here and long from here. So these are so perfect. And if you want to cut it some more, if you want to cut this thing also, you can now cut from here, so that it will not disturb onto your ears. So yeah, there you can see that your bangs should be shortened from here and long from here, so that it can go till your ears. So yeah guys, it was my short video upon how I cut my bangs at my home only, and I do not have to go to salon just for my bangs. So yeah, as you can see here that I have cut my bangs, so it looks like this now, shortened from here and long from here. So yeah, I hope that this video was helpful to you, and definitely you can try this at home, keeping certain things in your mind that you will go from this direction to this, not directly to up to your nose or something else. So yeah guys, it was my video upon how I cut my bangs at home only. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and share this video as much as you can, because it is very much interesting thing that I showed to you. So yeah, subscribe to my channel and hit like to this video, and wait for another video. Till then, bye, take care, bye.